Welcome to Review Lab. The best misting fan kit is probably one of the most versatile and effective solutions for beating the heat, whether you're looking to cool down your patio, greenhouse, or even your workshop, offering a refreshing escape from sweltering temperatures and transforming any outdoor or indoor space into a comfortable oasis. This innovative system provides a fine, cooling mist that evaporates quickly, lowering the ambient temperature significantly without leaving surfaces overly wet, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking relief during hot summer days or in arid climates. Number 5. LIFEEGRN Misting Cooling System 40 feet. Introducing the LIFEEGRN Misting Cooling System, your ultimate solution for beating the heat. Enjoy your outdoor spaces even on the hottest days. This system creates a fine, cooling mist that absorbs heat, reducing temperatures by up to 20 degrees Celsius. It allows you to comfortably enjoy your patio, garden, or any outdoor area. Crafted with a durable brass adapter, flexible PE tubing, and high-quality brass nozzles, it ensures a smooth, leak-free spray. Its updated design guarantees a longer service life. Perfect for your backyard, garden, greenhouse, or even your trampoline. It effectively cools large areas, increases humidity, and lowers the temperature wherever it's needed. Setting it up is a breeze as it comes pre-assembled. Simply connect it to your faucet and customize it with the included accessories to fit your specific needs. It uses water directly for cooling, requiring no electricity. The upgraded nozzles deliver a cool mist with minimal water, helping to improve air quality and reduce dust. What we like. This system offers a generous 40 feet of coverage with durable brass nozzles for a consistent mist. If you're looking for a straightforward and effective way to cool down your patio, garden, or trampoline area, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want a reliable setup without complex installation. What people say. Amazingly easy installation with the clips provided in the package, strainer plus a spare to keep the dirt out of the nozzles, spare nozzles, all were brass. They work great and are adjustable so you can choose the direction they spray. I have the 40-foot one wrapped around our detached gazebo roof line and it makes an amazing fine mist that cools the entire area inside, making it actually usable if it's 95°F plus outside. Number 4. Outdoor Misting Cooling System, 82-foot Patio Garden Mister. Beat the heat with our 82-foot misting system. It's designed to bring instant relief to your outdoor spaces. Installation is a breeze. Connect it to your garden hose in minutes with no tools required. Enjoy a cooler patio, greenhouse, or backyard right away. Crafted with 30 high-quality brass nozzles, this system is built to last. They resist rust and clogging, ensuring a consistent fine mist for years to come. Experience a significant drop in temperature, up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. It creates a refreshing oasis perfect for patios, trampolines, and backyard gatherings. Stay cool without the guilt. It uses only tap water and a fine mist to reduce consumption, making it kind to your wallet and the planet. It's perfect for everyone and everything. Keep your family, pets, and plants comfortable and hydrated during the hottest days. What we like. With an impressive 82 feet of misting hose and 30 brass nozzles, this system provides extensive coverage and long-lasting performance. If you have a larger outdoor space like a sprawling patio, greenhouse, or backyard that needs significant cooling, this is the one to consider. Its easy, tool-free installation makes it perfect for anyone wanting maximum cooling with minimal effort. What people say. These spray a very fine mist, and will make your gazebo a pleasant place to sit even on the hottest of days. Once I had the system dialed in, it worked like a charm. Thankfully, moving the tubing around and removing misters proved to be a cinch since whoever designed the misters was thoughtful enough to add in a quick release function if you need to remove a mister. This kit comes with all the parts needed to assemble your own misting system. You need only provide a source of water via a threaded hose. It is very customizable as you cut the hose to length as you need it and can space the misters as needed for your particular project. Number 3. Signice Upgraded 26-foot Fan Misting Kit. Transform your existing fan into a powerful cooling system with our easy-to-use misting kit. It's designed for quick DIY setup, allowing you to enjoy a refreshing mist in just minutes. Experience a finer, more comfortable mist thanks to our upgraded brass nozzles and precision filters. Unlike other options, it provides a delicate, facial steamer-like mist that truly cools you down. Constructed with high-quality, weather-resistant materials including solid brass adapters and professional-grade PE piping. This kit is built to last, offering reliable performance season after season. Perfect for any outdoor activity, it effectively lowers the temperature, providing a comfortable environment. Use it in your garden, at the park, or even while camping to beat the heat. Save money by upgrading your current fan instead of buying a new misting fan. Enjoy a cooler, more refreshing outdoor experience with this cost-effective solution. What we like. This kit allows you to easily convert your existing fan into a cooling misting fan, featuring superfine brass nozzles for a delicate mist. If you're on a budget and want to upgrade your current fan for a fraction of the cost of a new misting fan, this is your solution. It's perfect for those who enjoy DIY projects and want a personalized cooling experience for their patio or backyard. What people say. Works great on the outdoor barn fan for the horses. Puts out a lot of water, so be ready for it to soak whatever you point it at. Easy to assemble. Connected it to an old fan while I wait for my new one. Works great on the old one. Dropped the temp quickly under my patio. If you sit close to it, you will get wet, but 5 feet away it just cools the air. This fits the bill nicely. Went down to 2 jets and only used a partial flow from the hose. Much better. This cools down our patio very well. Number 2. JINLICTE 12-inch Outdoor Misting Fan. Experience ultimate relief from the summer heat with this powerful misting fan. It combines strong airflow with an advanced misting system to instantly cool your surroundings by up to 14 degrees Celsius. Forget about refilling water tanks. This fan connects directly to your faucet with a 5-meter hose, providing a consistent mist without interruption. Enjoy precise mist control for non-stop cooling. Need cooling anywhere? Easily detach it from the tripod, fold it, and transform it into a compact table fan. It's your perfect companion for beating the heat, whether you're indoors or out. Stay cool for hours on end. With a massive 20,000 mAh battery, enjoy between 6 to 30 hours of continuous cooling on a single charge. No need for constant recharging. Control your comfort with ease. Choose from 7 fan speeds, use the convenient remote control, and set the timer for 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. It's designed for your relaxation. This fan adapts to your needs. Adjust its height and utilize the wide oscillation feature to cover larger areas efficiently. Enjoy a refreshing breeze wherever you need it most. Perfect for any setting, from patios and gardens to bedrooms and offices. Give the gift of comfort this summer with a cooling solution that provides exceptional relief in every environment. What we like. This is a highly versatile and portable misting fan with a massive 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery, offering up to 30 hours of use. If you need cooling on the go, whether for patios, camping, or different rooms, this fan is ideal. Its ability to transform from a pedestal to a tabletop fan, combined with its long battery life, makes it perfect for those who value flexibility and extended cordless operation. What people say. It works great. And it's rechargeable. No need to plug it. And lightweight, I am a senior and I carry it upstairs easily without any effort. The mist combined with the airflow cools things down fast and makes sitting on the patio comfortable instead of miserable. It's easy to move, runs a long time on the battery, and the mist is refreshing without soaking everything. Works great. First time I used it without the mist feature. Worked really well in my tent. Long battery life. Nice size. For its size, it is quiet. The water feature is also really nice. Puts out lots of mist. Number 1. TURBRO Cordless Misting Fan MS12. Introducing the TURBRO Cordless Misting Fan, your ultimate solution for beating the heat outdoors. It delivers powerful cooling performance to large spaces in minutes. Experience superior mist technology with high-pressure nozzles for even, all-around cooling. Unlike other models, it provides a wide mist range, ensuring you stay comfortable wherever you are. Enjoy up to 50 hours of uninterrupted cooling on a single charge in fan-only mode. The detachable battery offers cordless convenience and charges quickly, giving you freedom to cool any space. Designed for ultimate portability, it features 360-degree swivel wheels and a comfortable handle. It's UV-resistant, waterproof, and works both wired and wirelessly for all your outdoor activities. Built with a high-quality brushless motor for quieter, more efficient, and longer-lasting operation. It's TV certified, guaranteeing reliable safety and performance for peace of mind. What we like. This misting fan offers exceptional cordless convenience with up to 50 hours of runtime on a single charge, featuring high-pressure nozzles for powerful misting. If you need to cool large outdoor areas like patios, poolsides, or event spaces without being tethered to an outlet, this is the ultimate choice. Its mobility, thanks to 360-degree swivel wheels, and long-lasting battery make it perfect for extended outdoor use. What people say. High quality, easy to assemble, long run time. My requirements: had to be battery powered and have replaceable backup batteries, had a decent sized water reservoir, and could cool an area, not just a personal cooler. This is perfect for your patio to keep you cool with the mister on or off. With the mister on, it is perfect for keeping you cool when you sunbath. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.